SongBook. SongBook is an extremely powerful feature of your PA300. It's a programmable musical database. Press SongBook from the group of selection buttons. Basically, you have a list of song titles. When you select a song title, it automatically brings up a style, a standard MIDI file, a karaoke MIDI file, or an MP3 for you to use to perform that song. There are several titles already provided by KORG, and of course you can create your own. Notice that you can sort by different criteria by touching the top of each column. Touch the song title A Day in Paradise and touch Select, and you are automatically taken to Style Play mode. The appropriate style has been called up to perform that song with the best choice of intro and variation. 4 STS are also saved with the song title. Press Start. As well, tempo, effects, etc. are also called up. Press Stop. You'll notice that the song titles included are recognizable but not the exact title you may be familiar with, but you can usually tell what song it's referring to. Feel free to edit the song titles to whatever you like by touching Book Edit 1, then Write. As always, touching the T takes you to the text input screen. For now, touch Cancel or Exit twice. Let's create our own songbook entry using a style. Press Exit to go to the main Style Play Mode page, and select from the World category 4/4 Flamenco. Press Exit. We can set the style up exactly how we want it to appear later. For example, starting with Variation 2 with Intro 2 as the introduction. Always select the variation you want first, then the intro you want. Let's also speed up the tempo a bit and set it to 123 BPM. Now go back to SongBook. We're still on the Book Edit 1 page. Touch New Song. This box is automatically checked off to include the 4 STS already saved with the style. Book Edit 2 page is where you can input information like the genre of the song and the artist. This helps when searching later for a type of song you want to perform. Again, touching the T takes you to where you can input the name. You can even save the key info to remind you what key the song is in. Book Edit 3 page has more parameters that can be saved with the song title, for example, the status of the synchro start. Once you have everything set, touch Write. Touch T and name the song entry My Song. We made some basic changes to the style before saving it to SongBook, but you can make changes to the style in several different ways to suit a wide variety of songs. You can change the instrumentation, for example, change the electric bass on the bass track to a synth bass, make edits to any of the sounds used in the style, even change and edit the effects, and much more. And it can all be done without affecting the original style or having to duplicate it in order to make the necessary changes. Go to the Book page, and there's our song entry. The PA300 doesn't come with any MIDI files or MP3s, so all the song titles from the factory are set up to recall styles. Let's add one of the standard MIDI files from your USB thumb drive to the SongBook. Like with the style we added, we set up everything how we want it and then save it to SongBook. Press Exit to leave SongBook, then go to Song Play mode. Load in a MIDI file. A quick way to save a song entry is to hold down the SongBook selection button. This takes us to the Save screen. It has the current name of the standard MIDI file. We'll leave it as it is. Touch OK. Touch Yes. Done. We saved a MIDI file this time, but we could have saved an MP3 or a karaoke MIDI file to the SongBook as well. You can edit and add things to your SongBook entry later on. For example, let's add an STS and lyrics to the entry we just made. Back to SongBook. Choose another performance. Go to Book Edit 1 page, check off this STS Write Current box, and choose to save it to STS1. Now go to Book Edit 3. I've already used my computer to create a .txt file with the lyrics to this song, and saved it to my USB stick. Touch Browse. Navigate to the USB drive, touch the .txt file, and then select. OK, we're ready to save everything. Touch Write. We'll leave the name the same. Touch OK, then Yes to confirm. Now go to the book page and select the songbook entry we just created. STS1 is just as we wanted. Press Lyrics, and there are the lyrics. However, this is just a text file, so the lyrics won't follow along. You can touch the scroll bar to advance to the next page of lyrics or assign this to an optional foot switch. Go back to SongBook. Typically, performers prepare set lists for a show, a list of songs they will play. You can prepare several custom lists using SongBook. Go to the Custom List page. Here you can select which list you want. As you can see, KORG has included a few already. Open the Page menu and check Enable List Edit, and then touch outside the menu. The List Edit page becomes available. You can either edit an existing list or create a new one. Let's create a new one by touching New List. Now let's add the first song title we made. Go to the book page. There are many song titles, so you can use the scroll bar or the dial to find the song. You can also hold down the Shift button and touch the arrows above or below the scroll bar to jump to the next or previous alphabetical section. But let's use the search function to find our song. Press the search button. Touch in the text box and type the name of what you're looking for. You can type in the whole name or just part of it. Type in My. And touch Search. Here are all the songbook entries with My in the name. There's ours. Touch it, then select. This search feature can be used in different modes to locate any resource, including styles, performances, etc. Now that we've selected the song, touch Add to List. Go to the List Edit page, and there's our song. Let's go back to the book page and add another 2 songs. Back to List Edit page. We can move the songs around by selecting a title and touching the Move Up and Down arrows. Once the list is ready, touch Write. Name it. And touch OK to confirm the text. OK, then Yes to save the list. Now open the Page menu and uncheck Enable List Edit. Touch the Custom List tab. There's our set list. Press Exit to leave SongBook. There's also a free songbook editor for PC available for download from KORG.com. It's a powerful and useful tool that includes fast multiple import for standard MIDI files and MP3s, plus many editing features. A video explaining SongBook and the editor in detail can be found on KORG.com as well.